I'm talking about the review menu. Here the review menu, the one is the spelling checking. See the spelling checking. Here the holiday actually spelling is correct, but the here the H capital and also in between the D capital should be the small. See here the, so you can choose anyone. So here showing the holiday like this, the holiday like the holiday. If you choose anyone, and here changes for the one places or changes for the all places. I choose here the changes all, so it will come the all places. Okay. Also another one here the working. See here I am written here the wrong spelling, so here the working. Okay, so working changes all. This is showing the spelling checking. Now another one is the translate. Translate means suppose here the choose anyone. Now I am taking here the Sunday and translation. Here the English, this is the English, and I want to the Arabic, so Arabic. Okay, now changes. See here the Yom Lahad, this will come the Yom Lahad. See here Yom Lahad, Sunday. Okay, this one come. So this is the translate and the spelling checking from where the review menu. Okay, thank you.